Hello, is this thing on? You can't hear this. I'm not cutting the fan off. I'm sorry. It's North Carolina in the summertime.
It's so hot in here. Yes. Oh my God. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something we should have been doing a while ago. Building mini bikes.
As always, we're behind.
Don't tell them that. They don't have to know that.
Well, don't everybody wait until a month before to start getting everything together?
Oh, we still got a month? Oh, we got other stuff we can do. We're doing the MiniBike Madness 5 in Tennessee. We have this Baja Warrior that has a aftermarket gas tank.
No suspension in the rear.
No suspension in the rear is going to be our only hang-up. We have this Trailmaster that has full suspension, but it doesn't have a motor, a non-functional gas tank. So we're going to be taking stuff from here and putting it here. That being said, let's get after it. Alright, well, the issue that you're going to have with doing this swap onto this bike is you need spacers. The frame sits up a little bit too high, and so what you have is this gap right here. So what we're going to do is cut some spacers out of some 1-inch tubing and run here to here on both sides. Just drill a hole in it so we can set the motor down on top of it. So here we go. All right, here's the spacers we were talking about. It's just 1-inch tube with a hole drilled. I think you said 6.5 inches on center. Yeah. We'll just lay that right there. Lay a block on top of it. I forgot to record this one. Now the Trailmaster does have a rear wheel setup for the front and rear of the bike. So it has brakes front and rear, therefore we need 2 brake handles.
This is a non-Hemi 212, and we took the flywheel out of a 196 and we put it in here.
So we have a lighting coil.
Yep.
So what we're doing now is modifying the clip from the lighting coil to mount into the LED pod that we got on the front of the bike.
So
is that right?
Cut this clip off right here.
Yeah.
And one on the back side, so you just fit in there and plug in.
And then electrical tape says it's gonna stay together.
Yep. Zip child certified. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that.
Bam.
Bam. See, it levels out. Perfect. What you got there, John? A mud butt starter kit?
Yep.
Alrighty.
Taco Bell and a Pepsi.
Alright, so we got everything put on it. Got everything hooked up. It cranks up. Light works. It's done. Almost. We just got something that we're going to use to dress it up a little bit, make it stick out a little bit better. What do you think, John?
Yeah, we got us some dirt bike plastics. Cut all the extraness off of it to make it fit, and let's go right here. Turn it around. There we go.
Sweet.
So I'm gonna make it look nice, just enough to get mud on it.
Oh yeah. Let's put this on and we'll be ready to rock. Turn the fan off so you can hear this time. But the Trailmaster is done. We've got all our plastics on, handlebar controls are hooked up, front and rear brakes work, the engine fires. we're good to go. Got this one ready for the Rocky Top Rumble. On top of that, we just found out that they're finally bringing back Mini Mayhem. That's right.
Yeah, finally.
Finally, it's come back.
Due to COVID-19, they haven't had Mini Mayhem from Cars and Cameras in a couple of years. Finally, they're bringing it back. I believe it's the weekend of October 22nd?
Yep.
Okay.
22nd, 23rd, and 24th.
Awesome. We're going to have this there. We've got a couple other projects at my shop that we're going to be doing as well. We'll be doing the build videos of that coming up here soon. If you haven't already, you can like and subscribe. Make sure you use the link in the description to pick up a t-shirt from MiniBike Apparel, much like this one. If we don't see you before then, we'll definitely see you at Mini Mayhem or the Rocky Top Rumble. And until next time, y'all get up, get out there, and get after it.
All right, let's turn that fan back on.